Hey, this is Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. I've got an Emhart lock here. I think it's made by Russwin. No longer made because of a suit that Medico had with them. But the proper way to pick this is actually to assemble or reassemble and then pick it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just show you a little bit about it. The the drivers ride along these little sleeves or little grooves. Sorry, and they always stay within it. It makes it hard. You can't gut this the traditional way with a follower. In other words, and it's the reason we assemble or reassemble before picking is to make sure that it's clear that these key pins and drivers are hooked together. So that's what I'll do. Um, there's a little drill protection in there that falls out, but I wanted to show you the Bible real quick. And I'll drop this in and put that C-clip back on there. Okay. And the way I'm going to do this is try to gently pick up each one of these so you can tell that it's attached and drop it in. Okay. First one worked. Two. Uh-oh. Okay. So, since it fell apart, let's just look at it a little closer. You slip in like that. Dang it. I'll do it this way. Okay. There we go, finally. All right, so that's what the key looks like. Really low lift on 3. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is mainly I'm going to use a pointed Moki number 3. I have an SS Dev that's really flexible that I'm going to use some, and also a Jimmy Long's flat for the first 2. And here we go. So 5 binds first. That went up a bit. And it's clicky. 4. That also went up. And with both of those, I had a little bit of clockwise rotation. I don't think 4 is right, rotated right. So before I proceed any further, okay, it's better. 6, got a little click and it's clicky. 3 is the low lift. Okay, got a little click out of it. It's clicky. More rotation clockwise. All right, from here, switch to the bottom of the keyway and use this Jimmy Long's flat because it seems to work better. Yeah, 1 is binding, so is 2. I'm gonna bring 2 up. No, I'm gonna bring 1 up. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing here. On 1, the chisel tip. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, 2 is okay. 1 and 2 are both set to shear, but 1, the key pin is not rotated correctly. Well, that's better. Okay, I dropped something. Felt a little bit more shift clockwise. Oh, there it is. Well, that's a tough lock. Side picks, I appreciate you letting me borrow this as well as all the coaching you gave me. That's a real treat. That is a tough lock. Maybe I'll try the black belt one next. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. See ya.